Like, why did you feel that you want to create awareness? आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि मैं अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना चाहूंगा मैं?
So that if anybody is eating tobacco and I tell him that don't eat, it will give you a lot of health disorders and it can even kill you. So I want everyone to be saved and not eat tobacco or smoke tobacco so that they stay healthy and lead a healthy and peaceful life.
Wow, you're a spontaneous speaker. That's really nice. You speak so well. You answered that so well. Excellent. Hats off to you. I mean, there's something very special in you, dear, for sure. Now, Gar, what I'd like to ask you is, now, when we have these people standing near various shops or restaurants, buy cigarettes or maybe smokeless tobacco products, what is your request to them? They stand over there, they waste their time there, slowly they will buy these products from those pawn shops or maybe from any of the given places where they sell these nicotine products, like cigarettes and cigars and so and so. What is your suggestion to all of them, or what is your request? What is the request from Garv Pratap Singh to all those people who are consuming these dangerous products?
I want them that if they want to choose something all the time, they can choose something like elaichi or anything other than tobacco, so that they don't get unhealthy and be killed by that tobacco. So I will just stand away, but I still want to tell them that please don't eat, it will kill you.
Now, Garv, what is your message or request to the Prime Minister of India, that is Mr. Narendra Modi ji? What would you like to tell him today on the World No Tobacco Day, that is 31st of May?
I want to tell Prime Minister that we should stop making tobacco and we should make a news that tells everyone that do some meditation like I said in my talk, these techniques. So if they do that techniques and stop making tobacco, then everyone will not eat tobacco and they will lead a healthy life.
Excellent. That's really, really nice. Thank you very much. Let us inform them before it is too late. Stay safe, stay connected. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to the International Fab Talks. God bless you and stay connected. Thank you, Gar.
You're welcome.
God bless you, dear. God bless you.